What if your parents want one career but your heart says something else? This is one of the toughest situations that the students face. And today in this video, I'm going to tell you how to handle such situations with clarity and confidence. Hello everyone, I'm Priyanka. Welcome back to my channel, The Life Baker. And today I'll tell you how to balance parental expectations with your dreams without any conflict or guilt. So the first point is understand your parents' perspectives. Parents don't usually pressurize you because they don't love you, but they want a secured and stable career for you. Their main fears are generally, financial security, job security, your growth, whether you will be able to survive in the society or not. So first, understand what they actually want, understand their perspectives, then it will become easy for you to talk with them without getting frustrated. Then the second point is present your choice with logic and research. Telling your parents that I love this career is not enough. You need to tell them that you have done proper research. Show them the industrial growth, salary potential, क्या growth है, क्या demand है, क्या expectations है, what are the opportunities in this field. When you show them the research, parents understand that you are pretty serious about this career and you are not just following it blindly. Then the third point is find the middle ground. Basically, have a plan B together with that. Maybe if you're in a job and you want to pursue your passion with that job, try and research for that passion. Keep on improving your skills for that passion, for that growth. तो जॉब के साथ साथ आप एक और चीज कर रहे हो जो आपको पसंद है करना and gradually उसको active income में shift करना है. तो basically dual career path is one solution, is one balance that you can strive for. And also, you should have a backup plan. For example, if the first choice doesn't work, you have got a plan B with you, which will show your maturity and your responsibility towards life. Then the last point is place it with action. You need to tell them what are the action strategies you are going to take. Suppose आपका एक passion है and आपको seriously उस पे career build up करना है. तो when they will see that you are really serious about it, you are upskilling yourself for that passion of yours, gradually, if your passion comes with planning, your parents will gradually support you for that. They'll see you're so serious about it. You're working on yourself to improve yourself. So basically, आपको ये चीज समझना पड़ेगा that there are negotiations, there are success stories where students have shifted from one course to another course. So these are the 4 points that you need to take care while talking to your parents about your dreams. Parenting pressures are real, but that doesn't mean that you crush over your dreams. You can work on your dreams side by side also. Ultimately, when you have got a good plan, when you start upskilling yourself in that passion, gradually parents support. You know what? Parental pressure is real, but that doesn't mean that you crush over your dreams. Understand their fears, present your case with research, with logic, find a plan B, and then support that with an action, and in the end your success will give the biggest answer, right? So work upon your dreams. It's one life. If you know that you really love that career of yours, start upskilling yourself, start educating yourself. So if you want more tips and tricks on how to choose your career, do follow my channel, do like and share and subscribe to my channel, and share it with a friend who is confused about their career.